Hey guys, have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a landing page for your videos? Well, if you have, this is where your search ends. And if you haven't, let me tell you why this is important. A landing page allows you to attract your viewers' attention to not just your video, but also the other little factors that you put on those page. For example, a button to subscribe to you, a button to buy a membership to you, a button to buy your product. Now that is very, very important because you're going to convert a viewer into a paying customer just like that. And for that, you need a dedicated page to that video, dedicated page to your company, a dedicated page that would attract the viewers' attention directly to the action you want them to do. Now that is what a landing page is, and in today's video we are going to tell you how you can create one on Vadootv. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to Vadootv Studio, and like I told you today, I'm going to tell you how you can very easily customize the landing page for your videos on Vadootv, right? So the first step obviously will remain that you reach Vadoo.tv. Now the way to simply do that is clicking the link given down below in the description and signing up because it's free. That's right. So I've already signed up. Let me log in here. As you see, as soon as I logged in, I see my projects here, and this is the project that I'll be working on today. Now, this is the video in the project that I've uploaded. Let me go to this video. Now, on the left side, you're going to see a few settings, which I have. Some of them I have already explained. Some of them I am going to explain. So make sure that you press the subscribe button. Now, clicking on the landing page, you're going to get all the landing page settings. And as you can see, you can customize each and every element of this the way I have, right? Let me start with the basic things, which is the title. You can customize the title according to the way you want, or you can very well just switch off the title, switch off the description, and you'll have a simply clean looking page. Though I would genuinely suggest that you keep the title on because it's something that requires to be kept so that people recognize the video. So let me put the title as awesome video, and the best part is you're going to see your changes right then and there. Now this just looks very out of place, doesn't it? Right? So we are just going to customize the background of the video to something light and nice. Yay, here we go. Right? We can also switch off the logo from here. Right now, as you see, the page is very, very clean. There's no issue here. We can also change the text color to black or white depending on what the background is. So this is very important so that you arrange the background as well, right? You also have a make public button. What this does, it allows you to convert your videos into private content rather than being available using the public link. So if you do that, as you can see, this will appear that video access is not allowed. It will only be allowed to your selective people. So that's very awesome. Here you can add your custom URLs. Right now we do not have a custom URL for this video, so we're not going to be adding to it. Now you can also switch on the number of views that this video has got so that you can showcase people how many times this video has been seen. You can also switch it off. You can also switch on or switch off the share button. Now this allows you to have a very easy button so that people share your videos as fast as possible. So that is also a very, very cool thing. Other than that, we have something known as the call to action button. Now this is extremely important. You remember I told you that this is how you can convert people from just viewers to paying customers. Now this button right here. So as you can see, you don't need to tell anyone to go down below and click on the description or something like that. This is right there. A big bold sign up button is right here. And all I need to do is press click. That's right. So in that scenario, it is so easy for the customer to visit this page and pay to sign up for your membership. That's right. So this is something that we are really proud of because this helps a lot of people gain a lot of customers, right? So now we can also change the layout here further. But before I do that, let me tell you another special thing about the call to action. Not only that you can input a URL that you like, that you want to put in there. It's not just a sign up for Vadootv, it's your own URL. It also allows you to change each and every part of it. You can change the text color, you can change the button color, and you can even update the title. So that is something that is super important, and we ensure that we do not overly advertise our website here. It's all about you. So that is something that a lot of our consumers also appreciate, and it makes your video get a very clean look thanks to that landing page. You can also just apply pre-customized themes from here. So as you see, this is a theme that has been already set up, so you don't really need to set up anything. But it's not just that. We also want you to be able to customize according to everything that you want, right? That is why we have an add JavaScript code tab here, where you can add your own custom codes and add some awesome content to your landing page to further impress your viewers and hopefully your future customers, right? That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure you're subscribed to catch the next one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.